The first step is to prepare the sample. The sample length needs to be 10 厘米 longer than the drum circumference. Then stack the splines on the inside and nail them up. Open the door. Then turn on the power. Click and move to make the wheel in a suitable position for installation. Tighten the knob, align the slot, and insert the spline. Flip the tape over and fit it onto the roller. Turn the knob to adjust the tightness of the Velcro strap. Use the tool to secure the set screws. The upper roller is also used to install the sample in the same way. Select the corresponding weight according to the corresponding width and adjust it to the corresponding scale. Close the door. Set the number of tests and clear them to 0. After the settings are completed, click Test to start testing. After the test is completed, it will automatically shut down.